What if I run into my butt? Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and this is a product showcase of the Antigravity A1. As you can tell from the look of the A1, it's tiny. That surprised me when I took it out of the box and I picked it up and I was like, whoa, that is light. One of the coolest things about it is that it's 249 grams with the regular battery in it, which means you don't need to register this drone. It is tiny and small, which what is so good about that is you can also travel with it. When I'm traveling, I have restrictions on what I can take with me from time to time, and the fact that this thing is small, tiny, fits right into my bag with all of the accessories that I need, that's incredible. That means that I can take it on the road with me and use it as an additive to get extra footage. But the coolest thing about it is that it is a 360 drone. It means you are recording 360-degree footage because you have a camera on top and a camera on the bottom, and that means you can focus on flying and you can compose later after the fact. And the other thing is, it is so easy to fly. I haven't flown drones in a long time since I had an incident years ago where it flew away and I had to fight to get it back and didn't want to crash it into something. And I was like, I don't want to fly this. But the first time I put this up in the air, all I did was watch a video on how to set it up and good general practices. I'll link to the video I used down below in the description. And then turned it on, went inside of the goggles and put it up in the air and started flying. And it just worked. All you need to do is point where you want it to go, pull the trigger, and it flies. You want to go forward, you point forward. You want to go up, you look up, you press the trigger, and it flies up. And the next thing you know, you're floating over your childhood house just like this, and it feels like you're flying. It is so easy to use. One of the things I didn't like about flying the drones back in the day is having a small screen, using my cell phone. And if it's a bright day, it is so hard to see and fly. But with these goggles, you go inside and you're immersed in a 360 world of beautifulness. I don't know how else to put it.
Oh my, it is the coolest thing in the world.
When you put these on and you go inside, you're like, wow, oh. And you are now flying around a 360 world because wherever you spin, you look up, you look down, you look left, you look right, you go in a circle, and you can see exactly what the drone sees. This is such an amazing way to fly a drone. Again, you just point where you want it to go, you just pull the trigger, and you go. But that's enough of me talking about it. Here's a cool montage we put together to show you what we captured with the A1. Now I can just do this, and it's like I'm just flying. I mean, literally, I am just flying.
We're going up.
We're looking down. Oh my boy. Oh, look, there's a fire truck.
Literally, you just point it and fly, and I'm already up here looking at the city. Oh, I technically don't have to spin around because it's 360, but oh, wow.
It's just like effortless to fly.
Oh, and I can just do a flyby of this thing because we can then redo it later.
The cool thing about the Antigravity A1 is that you fly first and frame later. Basically, all you need to do is just put it up in the air, point it where you want it to go, and you're gonna get professional looking drone shots. And I know that editing 360 footage sounds like it's gonna be complicated for a beginner who's never done it before, but with Antigravity's auto editing software, you can share your footage with minimal effort and no prior experience ever editing 360 footage. So basically, all you need to do is worry about flying it and then let the Antigravity app handle the editing.
Really, it's like a video game. I'm just pointing where I want it to go and just watching and enjoying the flight.
Oh, my hair looks so good right now, I can tell. Oh, it's so cool. So if you're someone else, you can look in my goggles and see where I'm flying so you can participate. That's pretty cool, because you could be like, oh, go to the left or go to the right. That's cool.
I mean, I'm just literally moving like I'm flying in an airplane. This is gonna be so cool for so many people, so many uses.
You might be wondering who needs something like an A1. Well, it's perfect for content creators, someone like me who's traveling around a lot and wants to get additive footage that you just can't get from the ground. Sure, I could use a regular 360 camera on a stick, and I've used those from Insta360, but now that I have the ability to fly a drone and capture 360-degree footage in such a small, light, and easy-to-use package, this is something that is great on the road for me, and it might be perfect for you. Again, content creators. If you're a realtor, it's gonna be great for covering the houses that you're trying to sell. You're trying to showcase them in an awesome light, and this is going to allow you to just fly it yourself and then edit the video whichever way you want it because you have 360 degrees to capture. But if you're a roofer, a painter, someone who needs to quickly and easily put something up in the air and see all directions, it could come in handy for you. Or maybe you're a golfer and you want to capture the beautiful places that you travel or where golf takes you, or just capture you and your friends playing around. There's 3 different modes that you can use. There's cinematic mode, which is the mode that I personally like to use because that's gonna give me the most smooth footage for the cinematic look. There's normal mode, which is just normal, it's gonna be a little faster. And then there's sport mode. If you wanna fly it like it's one of those sport drones that go super fast and zip all around, that is the quickest way to go from point A to point B. It just goes fast. It's not gonna give you the most cinematic look, but that's why you have all of the options. So again, this thing is light at 249 grams with the battery in it, which means you don't need to register it. It is so easy to fly. You go in the goggles, you turn the thing on, you point where you want to go, and you just go. It's so easy that I guarantee you just about anybody can fly this thing. I was pretty blown away the first time I went in there, and after using it for a little while, I love the footage that it gives me. So if you do think this is something for you, there are links down below in the description to learn more or to grab one for yourself. I really enjoyed using this, and it will be in my bag when I travel just to help me get some extra footage that we can use in our videos. Thank you very much for watching. Jared, PolinPhotoPhoto.com. See ya.